Now we're going to move to NBT.4, which is rounding decimals. For this standard, we're going to go back to using our grid. We're going to place one digit inside of each column. This will assist us in identifying place value and rounding the decimals. All right, now we have our number. Our number is 16 and 947 thousandths. I have one digit inside of each column, helping me to identify the place value. So I know I have 110, 6 ones, 9 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 7 thousandths. The first thing we want to do is round to the nearest hundredth. First thing we need to do is identify the number that's in the hundredths place. We have hundredths here, so we know that 4 is in the hundredths place. Now when we're rounding numbers, we always look to the digit to the right. In this particular case, the 7 is the digit to the right. I place these numbers in a box, so now I have 47. If I were to make a number line, all I'm trying to figure out is if 47 is closer to 40 or 50. I know that 47 is 7 away from 40, but it's only 3 away from 50. So that means it's closer to 50. I'm going to rewrite this now since I'm rounding. 47 now becomes 50. I bring down the other digits. Don't want to forget my decimal. If I were rounding 16 and 947 thousandths to the nearest hundredth, it would be 16 and 95 hundredths. Okay, we still have the same number, 16 and 947 thousandths, but this time we want to round it to the nearest tenth. The number we have in our tenths place would be 9. When we're rounding, we look to the right. The digit to the right will be 4. I'm going to circle that digit, put it in a box. The 2 numbers are now in the box, and I have 94. If I had a number line, I'm trying to see if 94 is closer to 90 or 100. 94 is 4 away from 90, but it's 6 away from 100. So that means that it's closer to 90. So now I'm just going to rewrite my number, 90. The 7 also becomes a 0 because everything after the place value that we're rounding switches to a 0, and I bring down my other numbers. So now, 16 and 947 thousandths rounded to the nearest tenth will be 16 and 9 tenths. Okay, we're still with 16 and 947 thousandths. But this time we're going to round it to the nearest 1, or the nearest whole number. So I have 6 is in my ones place. Place my line under the 6. The digit to the right is 9. I'm going to put both of those numbers inside of my box, leaving me with 69. Place my 69 here. If I had a number line, I would have 60 on this end, 70 on the other. 69 is 9 away from 60, but it's only 1 away from 70, so that means it's closer to 70. So I will rewrite this as 70, and remember, every digit behind the place value that we're rounding switches to a 0. Bring down my 1. 16 and 947 thousandths rounded to the nearest whole number is 17.
Everything I do, everything I do, everything I do it in a boss way.